Party man. Good evening. Morning, sir. Welcome. Welcome. Hello. Welcome. Welcome. Hello. Zuti ma'am, welcome. Good
Thank you
afternoon.
so much.
How are you?
I am
Welcome.
fine. Today is joining of happy and sorrow.
जरूर मैम.
हाँ, इस
Thank you.
इवेंट का हमें
আমাৰ ইডিচাৰৰ ফেয়াৰৱেল আজি গ্ৰুপ এটা ফটো তুলিছোঁ. ৱেলকাম.
Executive Director and Asset Manager of Assamese. I, Nazira, CH, SG Wells Logging Services, take opportunity to compare the event with a heavy heart. Now I request all to stand for ONGC song. Now I call upon Dr. Manisha Ma'am to present a sampling to our sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Shri Rajesh Kumar Sharma, Executive Director and Asset. He transferred to Ankleshwar and worked there till 2009. In 2009, sir transferred to Delhi, OVN, till 2015, worked in Delhi, and again transferred to Assamese Nazira and the second tenure till 2018. 2018, he again transferred to Ahmedabad and served there till 2020. 2020, he transferred to Baroda, worked there for
Most respected ED Asset Manager sir and my dear colleagues and friends, on behalf of WDF, Assam Asset and everyone who are present here, I welcome you sir for today's interactive session. I would like to offer my sincere thanks to you for accepting our invitation for today's program. We shall always be grateful to you sir. It has been a long journey for you in a great organization and that you have given unlimited contribution and we can see where we are standing now. I am taking this opportunity to congratulate you from my heart that you are going to complete your service tenure with a good health. Sir, today each and every lady employee has enough words to say about you, but it would be injustice if we try to complete it within very few words. Sir,
Swati Ma'am, WDF Secretary.
On behalf of the entire WDF team, I want to express that you are perceived to be a clear, transparent leader who believes in looking at details both at the planning and the execution stage. My sincere and honest wish for you, sir, is that you feel content today on your superannuation. And sir, you have led this asset for a little over 2.5 years and your contribution to the asset is tremendous. Thank you, Vijayshri. Once again, a very warm welcome to our most respected ED Asset Manager, sir. I recently read somewhere, retirement may be an ending, a closing, but it is also a new beginning. Superannuation is probably a phase, sir, when people look back into their personal and professional lives and we assess the challenges that we faced and the failures and also the achievements, the accomplishments that we've had in our personal and professional lives. I truly wish for you, sir, that you
खुशियाँ बदस्तूर रहे हमेशा जारी, कोई भी गम आपको छूने ना पाए, जिंदगी आपको फूलों की तरह महकती चली जाए। खुशियाँ आपके कदम को छूते रहे बार बार, आपको जिंदगी में आते रहे खुशियों की बौछार। भले ही यहाँ से जा रहे हैं आप, लेकिन अपने दिल में से हमें कभी ना भुलाना, हो सके तो कभी हमें मिलने भी चले आना। जब भी आए याद हमारी तो फोन हमारे नंबर घुमाना, और इसी तरह हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहना, खिलखिलाते रहना सर।
The experiences, knowledges and the insights, the positive attributes which you have instilled in all of
कंधों पे पहाड़ों जैसे जिम्मेदारियां, चेहरे पे गंभीर शांत भरी मुस्कान जो हमारे बीच विराजमान है, कल को यादें बनकर हमें तरसाएंगे। ये यादें भी कितनी बेरहम हैं जो बिन बुलाए दिलों को कुचल देती, चाहकर भी इन्हें ताज़ा नहीं कर सकती। सितारों जैसी डगमगाती, चाहकर भी इन्हें भुला नहीं सकती। सागर की हर लहर क्यों लहर बनकर पानी में समाती, लहरों जैसी आपकी महानता की यादें दिल में दिया बनकर उजलती रहेगी, क्योंकि आपसे मिला ढेर सारा भाई के प्यार, सहानुभूति और जिंदगी जीने की मार्ग। धन्यवाद।
In terms of knowledge, he is a treasure trove, a pot of incredible qualities. He has an open door policy for all, which is a revered trait of him, a great listening power, a mind-blowing quality, and he has given us an immense opportunity to disseminate safety and environment messages by creating an awareness campaign at all installations. Here, there is a significant rise in reporting of near misses from 1,000 to 2,400 for the financial year, and he has rewarded through Office of Asset Agency 40 to 50 numbers of token of appreciations by rewarding employees for reporting important near misses, those who have spotted, which has averted any incident happening at the site. I would take this opportunity to thank our Honorable First Lady of Assamese, Dr. Deepa Rajesh Sharma, Chairperson OMS, giving us an opportunity to disseminate and executing our events happening for promoting safety and environment.
With respect to WDF, I hope so it is one of the asserts where almost 11 female employees are posted and we are given the important key positions. Like I am the installation manager, we have IR and RE. From starting from IR level to lower level, we have employees posted.
Whatever was there, the insect technology was shared by you, and Yamanto was there.